TaxSlayer tax software review usage experience. TaxSlayer is a tax preparation software known for its affordability and comprehensive coverage of tax topic. It offers a user-friendly interface and supports all major IRS forms and schedules. And here are the pros and cons about this platform. So talking about the pros, which is the important part of the platform, which is the affordability, TaxSlayer provides a cost-effective pricing plan, making it a budget-friendly option for many users, and also comprehensive coverage. The software supports a wide range of tax forms and schedules, accommodating various tax situations, and also user-friendly interface. I'm talking about the downside about this platform, which is the limited context-sensitive help with the quality of help content. And here's the viral conclusion about this TaxSlayer. TaxSlayer is a solid choice for individuals seeking an affordable and comprehensive tax preparation solution. While it offers extensive coverage and a user-friendly experience, improvements in help content and support could enhance the overall user's experience.